Hello, thank you for stopping by the video today. I have a subscription box that we are going to talk about. This is from Talisa. It is a jewelry subscription box. This is my first time getting this box. The brand did send this over to me complimentary to try out, so thank you so much. Now, let's get into this box, see what's in here, and we're going to talk all the details about the subscription box and the pieces that are in this box. On the box, it does tell you how it works on there, and look at how pretty the card is. Handwritten, looks like on there. The envelope, I should say, not card. So it is a monthly box, and you will get at least 3 items is the minimum per month. Once you get your box and you open it, you have 7 days to look at the pieces, decide if you want to keep them or not. If you don't want to keep them, you can return them as long as it's within the 7 days. So in the envelope, we have the return label. Thank you for letting us style you. Hi, I'm Kira, your personal stylist. And here is, it tells you more about how it works. Some gorgeous boxes here. Let me take them out. My favorite color, pink. I love that. Their items run from $49.95 to $149.95, and you only pay for what you keep. Now there is a styling fee. That is a styling fee of $40. You do get 50% off your first box. You get 50% off the styling fee of your first one. Now, if you want to keep an item, that styling fee does go towards a credit as that item. So that is helpful, you know, there. Styling fee is to cover the preparation, the shipping and handling, and the stylist, you know, taking the time to pick out the products for you. There is a style quiz that you take on their website that is free to do. That way they can get to know your preferences better. Let's see what we got in this box. Box number 1. A bracelet. Ooh, that is pretty. Comes in a nice little pouch there. And here is what the box looks like when you open it. It has the pull ribbon there. Now the styling fee is non-refundable. If you want to put it towards a credit, it can't go towards a credit for a future box. It's only for your current box, a credit if you want to keep something from the current box. Ooh, look at how pretty. This is the classic tennis bracelet in sterling silver. It is marked 925, or it should be, yep. CZ stones. This has a price of $109. Now, if you're wanting to find your size on the website, there is a couple different ways that they tell you to do that. One is to use clothing size, and then they help you translate it. And then the other one is using a tape measure. Very pretty. It feels really nice. This bracelet did get 4.9 out of 5 stars, and that was with 1,133 reviews. The majority of the reviews said that they liked it, the quality was good, and they thought that it was pretty, which I do too. Now let's see if I can get this on myself. Yep. Here, I'll show you the clasp up close. Now you don't get to pick specific items for your box. However, they do say on their website that if you have something in particular that you're looking through their website and you're like, oh, I really, really wish that I could try that, you can add that into the cart and just kind of leave it in the cart. Or you can email them at support@talisa.com if you really see something. But yeah, that is really, really pretty. Look at that. I like that. Very easy to put on and ooh, sparkly. All right, we're off to a good start. All right, I think that we should go for the little box next. Don't you think? Now you can pause your membership if you want. You can do 2 or 3 months, and you can cancel at any time. We have some earrings. Yay, these boxes are so cute. Definitely would be a good gift idea. We have Mother's Day coming up. It would be excellent to either do a subscription, or if you have a subscription yourself, then you could, these are gift ready. So again, we have the bag. They feel like a nice weight, but not heavy, because I do not like heavy earrings, and these don't feel heavy. This is called the Dazzling Hoop Crystal Earring in 18 karat gold vermeil. They're 18 karat gold plated, and it's CZ stones. You can get silver in these. The regular price is $104 of these. Currently, at the time of me filming, they are on sale for $93.60. It opens like that. Vermeil, it's a thicker layer of gold to the sterling. I had to look in the mirror to put these in. They kind of are, well, not kind of. They're similar to the clasp of Huggies, and I don't wear Huggies a lot. And I don't know why. I guess because it's kind of on that curve instead of a straight, poke in. I was having a little bit of trouble poking it through. I think I don't know. But if you wear Huggies a lot, or I don't think that you would have that problem, but now that I'm thinking about it, I've had that problem before with Huggies. It's kind of like I can't get it through to the back of my hole, but I got it. So I can feel them on, but they don't feel like they're pulling, down on my earlobe or anything. What do you think? I like them. All right. You may be like me and wondering, where does the name come from? Well, it is a husband and wife that created this. His name is Tal. Her name is Lisa. So we have Talisa. They wanted to share their love of jewelry and make it affordable so that multiple people could afford nice quality pieces. Now, if you don't want to commit to a membership, you can also do a one-time purchase. If you just kind of want to see, how the quality is, how it fits, how they get shipped, how it arrives, that kind of thing. Let's see. Oh, what is in this one? I'm thinking a necklace from the size of the box. Yes. This is another cool thing about the brand. I will put up some examples of some of their other jewelry, but you can get things engraved. You can have birthstones of certain people. You can just have initials on bracelets engraved and stuff. But look I have a name necklace now, and I know it has been a long time since the show was originally on, but I don't know about you. I cannot help but see a nameplate necklace and think of Carrie from Sex and the City, and it just makes me smile because I love that show. So, all right, let's see what this looks like on. This is the Italic Name Necklace. You can either do 18 karat gold vermeil, which is $108. Gold plated is $110. It's currently on sale for $99. It comes in the bag, the rest of the chain. Or you can do sterling silver, which is $90. It's currently on sale for $81. There is an extender on it. So pretty fine, dainty chain. Here's what the nameplate looks like. Chain length, you can get 16, 18, or 20 inches. This necklace got 4.8 stars out of 5 with 5,552 reviews. And people said pretty and the quality was good. So here's that. And let's see if I can get this on myself. Did I get it? Oh, I got it. All right, let me pull this. There's what it looks like. You know what? I think I'm going to change my shirt so that you can see it better. By the way, if we're just meeting, hello, my name is Stacy, and this is Stacy Lee Beauty. All right, what do you think? Here is the necklace. I'm going to go through what the total would be if you wanted to keep everything. So earrings are $93.60. They're currently on sale. The tennis bracelet is $109, and the necklace is $108. So that total would be $310.60. If you take the styling fee of $40 and apply that as a credit, if I wanted to keep all 3 pieces, that would be $270.60. That's a good deal or not? Do you like the pieces? The bracelet is my favorite. I love a sparkle, and yeah, I love this one. That totally is my favorite. Then it would have to be followed. My second favorite is the necklace because I've never had one of these nameplate necklaces. The earrings, I do like them. I don't know if it was because I was having a little bit of trouble getting them through my hole, but I am aware that I have them on. I like them, and I would definitely, those are the thing that I would have to think about and see if I need to wear them for a few more days and see if I still like them or if I'm still feeling them. And like I said, they don't feel heavy where I don't think they're gonna pull on my earlobe, but I can feel them. So those would be my only item that I'm not sure about. But other than that, like, yes, hello. What do you think? I'm happy. I love jewelry. Do you love jewelry? I bet you do since you clicked on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions that I did not answer in this video. Drop it down in the comments below and I will answer them for you. If I don't know the answer, I will contact the brand and get the answer for you. Thank you so much, and hit that subscribe button if you love all things beauty. Thank you. Bye.